Hello, hello friends. It's me Ajit Kumar. This is PHP tutorial session 2. In this tutorial, we will learn about the get method in PHP. Okay, let's start. Okay, first we need to know about the get method. What is get method and when to use it. Okay, get method is one type of method to transfer and send information from one to another. From one to another means that the one form to another form in web page. Okay, information sent from a form with the get method is visible to everyone. Yeah, in this method, uh, our given input will be shown on our URL. I will explain it in when I will run our program in this session. Okay. All variables, names and values are displayed in the URL. Yes. This is not a security method because we everyone know the given information and also the input. Okay. Get may be used for sending non-sensitive data. Yeah. Everyone can see the information. So it's not a good method for send a sensitive data. Okay, note it. Get should never be used for sending password or other sensitive information. And get method, yeah, it's password is one of the sensitive information. So we don't use get method in password and other security information sending process. Okay, aim of this session. First, we need to create a HTML form. It used to transfer and send a given input, and also give inputs through text box and get it by using PHP get method. Okay. By using a PHP get method, we can show the given input. Sorry. Okay, I will explain it in a program when I execute the program and web page. Okay, now start the process of okay, this is exam control panel. We must start all of these components of control panel application. Okay, all are running state. Okay, now go to localhost. This is a localhost process. So we access the exam server. Yeah, exam. This is a home page of exam. Okay, I will show the input of this session firstly. After this, we will create the output. YouTube. This YouTube is of my folder name into the localhost into the exam. Okay. This is the files within YouTube. C drive, exam, HD docs, YouTube. This folder name I mentioned here. Okay, don't get confused. It's just a folder name to open my programs. This is programs. Okay, YouTube, within YouTube these are programs, and also these are programs within a YouTube folder. Okay, I opened our output file HTML get method HTML. Okay, this is our HTML form. I already told you that we will need a HTML form to get to give input. Okay, it has two text box and one submit button. Enter your name, give any name, it's Ajit, and enter my email ajitkumar6363 at gmail.com. Okay. After submission of this button, the PHP code will be generated. Okay, submit. Welcome Ajit. This is a coding and this is a given text in a HTML, previous HTML form, and also this text is in a coding page, and this text is in a previous HTML input. Okay. Yeah. I already told that the get method show the information given input in address bar. Yeah. You can see it. Name equal to Ajit. Ajit is a given text, and Ajit Kumar 6363 is it is also a given text in a previous HTML form, in this form. Okay, so everyone can see the given information, so it's not a sensitive data. Okay, now let's start write a program. Okay, open Notepad++. Notepad++ is the best editor to write to text our program. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create a HTML form like this. Okay, HTML/HTML. This is a starting tag of HTML, and also this is ending tag of HTML. Okay, and head body, and this head and body is the basic things of HTML program. Okay, now get method. Now we write. Okay, h1 is heading mentioned here. Heading 1, it's one of the PHP tag to create a heading of in our web page. This is a heading. Okay, get method. Okay. Save this in C drive, exam, HD docs, YouTube. I saved this in HTML get one .html extension. Save. Okay. Now I run it localhost. Go to the folder YouTube, and our program name is HTML get. Okay, get method. Okay. I want to center this text, so center is one of the tag to align our text in center of the page. Now, yeah, it's center, and we need a two text box. The text box name is name. Okay, open an input tag. We need an input tag because we give an input through the text box. Input type equal to text. Text is this mentioned, and that input is text box. Okay, and that email input type equal to text, and then button input type equal to submit, and this is a button, so we used it submit, or otherwise we can use a button here. Okay. Type value equal to submit. Value means save it, run it. Okay, through this coding we created this form. Okay, the name and text box, email ID, text box, then submit. This button have a name submit. If our value is in something like that, then our text box will like that. So this is the mean of value submit. Okay. Okay, we create the simple HTML form. We give something, do something, answer nothing, and do. Okay. We in this type. We need to create a form to transfer input data. So form method, form name, form method, name equal, sorry, action. The form action is get one.php, and then form method. We use the get method in this session. Okay. After clicking this submit button, the action get one.php will be generated. Save it and run it. Submit. Okay, object not found because we did not create any get1.php in this script. Okay, file new. Let's start the PHP code. This is opening and ending tag of PHP. Dollar underscore. We must give a name to this text box. Name and name equal to email. Okay. Name and email. Okay. We retrieve the data of a given text in input text box, both to text box. Okay, dollar name equal to dollar underscore underscore dollar underscore get used get method. So the keyword is get within a square bracket name with a semicolon. Each and every statement will be closed with semicolon. Sorry, we print just echo is usual to print a statement, and in this stage echo means print a statement. That statement is name. Get is usual to this is name. This text box name is name. So the text box given input will be printed here. Okay. So welcome is our coding text, and also this is given text in text box. Okay. Save it. Get one.php. Saved as get one.php. Okay. Get one.php is the action of this form, as well as welcome in the name and your email address is echo. We print the second box is dollar underscore. Dollar underscore is a syntax of retriever text box input. Okay. Within square bracket name. We print the email ID, so email is mentioned this text box name. Okay. Plus it. Okay. We done our coding. Now generate it. Okay, right? Anything error. Run this again. Name, exit, email address, gmail.com. Unexpected, it's an error. Right, get T underscore sorry, we cannot put any text within the PHP. So welcome is the text, then PHP for generator, and also end of PHP code. And now PHP code generator. Sorry. PHP. The end of PHP. This is a text encoding, and then this is a given input in name text box, and this is the coding in text, and this is the given name in a email text box. Now run it. Yeah. Alright. So run it again. Name, email address, submit. Welcome, like that. Your email ID, email addresses, and then given text. Okay. We done this session successfully. I hope this session will helpful to you. If you have any doubts, please mail me and gmail.com. So, okay. Thank you, friends. I'll see you in next session. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.